Hey everybody, it's Kim with getgreenbewell.com. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite stainless steel snack containers. And these are going to be little containers about this size, which makes them perfect if you are trying to do portion control on your snacks, if you are trying to pack food for little ones such as toddlers who are only needing a small amount of food, or maybe you're looking for the ideal thing for salad dressings and maybe some more liquid items that you are putting in a normal lunchbox. Now, I have shared some of my favorite stainless steel lunch containers in a previous video. These are going to be bigger items that would be perfect for salads and sandwiches and maybe a multi-course option. So these are going to be perfect add-ons, and what I want to start with first are these You Can Serve tiny stainless steel containers. Now, they are going to come in a 3-pack, and I will put the link below. And they're perfect if you want to put like candies in them, because you can not put too much in. It's 1.9 ounces. They'd be perfect for nuts. Anything that is dry or that you need a small serving of, that would be great with these. All right, the next ones are going to be these tiny little ones from Tava. And these have silicone lids on them. So they are leak proof. So this would be the great one if you're going to be using dressings, maybe like a hummus dip, a yogurt marinade, or like a yogurt dipping sauce or something like that for vegetables. So these would be ideal. Now these are 0.6 ounces. So these are obviously way smaller than the ones that I just showed you, but they do have those silicone lids. And silicone is not necessarily plastic. So if like you're thinking, well, it has plastic on it, it's not really a stainless steel snack container. First of all, the food and everything is pretty much going to stay in the stainless steel option. And then silicone doesn't have any of the risks that the plastic lids generally have as far as leaching chemicals and toxins into the food. So this again is going to come in a 3-pack, and it is leak proof. I'm going to put that on there, and I again is going to put that in the link below. I love these colors. Okay, another one from Tava are going to be these stainless steel nesting containers. Now these are obviously bigger than the ones that I just showed you, and they range in size from 3.3 ounces to 13.5 ounces. But again, I love the colors that are on these. They are silicone lids as well, and they are leak proof as well. Now these are 3 nesting containers that are slightly smaller than other stainless steel nesting containers. Now in my other video for lunch containers, I showed you nesting ones as well. So I'm going to compare these to you. So these are the Tavas, and then this is the Blue Water Bento that you can get from Eco Lunchbox. So you can see that the biggest one on the Tava is about the same size as the middle one on the Eco Lunchbox. So you could buy like this and have the smaller containers with the Eco Lunchbox, or if you know you're definitely wanting smaller ones, then you can get the ones from Tava. So that is a comparison, and I'm going to show you, let's see if I can get all of these together. Kind of hard to balance stainless steel containers. These are going to be from Mira. Now these do not have silicone lids. They have harder plastic lids, but kind of hard to show. So again, this one is going to be roughly a little bit bigger than the middle one on the Mira. So it just depends on how many you want and what size. This Tava one definitely has a smaller size that's perfect for little hands or for salad dressings. Okay, another option that I also talked about in the stainless steel lunch containers one is Planet Box. And this was one of the little dippy cups that comes in the stainless steel lunch system lunchbox that they have. So this comes with the launch lunchbox, but you can also buy these individually, and they are really cute. They have like the rounded edge down here. Again, silicone for the lid, and I like the little space theme that they have. So if you're not buying the entire system, you can still hop on Planet Box and get these little dipper cups. Okay, another option is going to be Lunchbots. This is another one of my favorite brands. Now this is a twist top, and it comes in different colors. So this is definitely going to be leak proof. And again, there's a stainless steel. I'm just going to leave the packaging on for now. So you twist it off, and inside completely stainless steel. So again, this is more of a harder plastic. This is not going to be silicone, but as I've said before, I don't really worry about the plastic lids as much as where the food is actually going to be nesting. So this is a nice size. This is 4 ounces. And this is definitely something that you could easily just throw into a lunchbox or a backpack. Definitely kid friendly on this one. And then the final one that I'm going to show is going to be a Munchkin stainless steel snack container. Now I'm not going to take this one out of the packaging either because I don't intend on using it because I don't have a small child. This is perfect for toddlers, but this is going to be stainless steel on the inside, and then it has nice little hold handles on the side. I don't know if you can see that right there. You can kind of see that. And they can put their hand in through the plastic top, but it's like one of those that keeps the food inside and then you can draw your hand out. This again is ideal for little ones. It's probably not something that you're going to invest in and have in your house that is going to last over the years and years like a lot of these other stainless steel snack containers will be, but this is ideal for the kiddos and the little ones. So that's a great investment for when they're young. So those are my favorite stainless steel snack containers. I will put all the links below in the description. Also the link to the video for the stainless steel lunch containers, which are a little bit different and a little bit larger and a lot more variation. I encourage you to go over to getgreenbewell.com for a lot of shopping guides on how to create a non-toxic modern home. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It would mean the world to me. And it also encourages YouTube to show these videos to others so that they can find all of these great non-toxic options that you can buy for home that are going to be healthier in the long run. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Have you used any of these products? If not, is there another one that you love and you use? I would be really interested to hear what you use as far as using reusable food storage containers that actually save you money in the long run. So until next time, everybody, take care and be blessed. Bye-bye.